Hey, Body Fangs, so welcome to the bush. Guys, new year, new beginnings. Fresh start. Ja, nee, daai knormoer moet bietjie gereset word. Ja, doesn't matter if you got an old bakkie there or you're buying a brand new bakkie there. You need to take it to Wild Dog Accessories. Get a front bumper, back bumper, rock sliders, bash plates, suspension, tires, mags, seats, winch, or just some lekker speelgoed. Like roof racks en goedes. But don't delay, okay. Make your appointment, take your kapokkie trokkie down to Wild Dog Accessories and kit it out. Fresh start, okay. Run with the pack. Okay, thanks. Psst. All our products are ASE tested to make sure it's completely safe. Okay, thanks.